Hello guys, I am Chef Bhushan. Welcome to Chefologics. For ActiveFit, today I am going to make Paustik Laddu. Well, there are times when you have that craving to eat something sweet but not a proper dessert. So what solution it could be? Yes, Paustik Laddu could be a good solution when you just want to have a little bit of sweet bite or for sweet tooth. So let's see how we are going to prepare Paustik Laddu. We are going to use poha, dry coconut, chana dal, poppy seeds, desi ghee, jaggery powder, dry dates powder and dry fruits. To start with, we are going to roast our chana and make a fine powder of it. Second thing we are going to roast is dry coconut. Dry coconut we are going to roast nicely till it gets nice crispy and brown in color. So in this mixture I am going to add poha. I am going to add a little bit of a poppy seeds, good amount of dry fruits, and this is a dry date powder. Now we are going to saute this for a couple of minutes on a medium high flame. So we are going to roast this mixture till our poha will become nice and crispy. So now a mixture is nice, hot and crispy. I am going to put in a bowl. So there are still two components to be added. One is jaggery and another is ghee. So we are going to hand crush this when it is hot enough so that your jaggery also will melt in this nicely. So on side, I have kept some ghee for a melting. Now I have crushed this mixture as possible as I can, and now when the mixture is hot, I am going to add about a cup of a jaggery, and again I am going to mix this. So primary reason to add jaggery into hot mixture is that the jaggery granules will start melting because of the internal heat of the mixture. You can use your hands as well to crush your mixture once the temperature is well enough cold to handle with hands. So before adding ghee, mixture will look like this. Now it's time to put desi ghee. Well, once your mixture is ready along with the ghee, when it is not too hot and not cold, we are going to prepare laddu. To prepare laddu, make sure that the proportion of ghee as well as your binding agents, which are poha or which are Bengal gram dal, should be just enough, and you can take a judgment. I have removed hand gloves so that making laddu would be easier for me. So these small laddus you can prepare and keep for at least a week long, so that you can have it over 2-3 days or whenever you just feel like.